Here at the Institute for Communication Systems, we have developed some of the very first in the world reconfigurable intelligent surface prototypes back in 2019. And since then, we have been continuously developing and pushing forward with this technology, whereas the most recent iteration is a multifunctional RIS prototype that can dynamically adjust its properties or reflection of electromagnetic waves by using environmental feedback with a LiDAR camera that you can see its output here. It can effectively dynamically track a user such as myself as I'm making a movements or making gestures such as this, and basically it can improve my signal coverage dramatically. The key advantage that RISes bring into the telecommunications industry is the reduced energy consumption of the radio network and improved energy efficiency. This is achieved because metamaterial technology is nearly passive, and a metasurface like this only consumes 2 watts of power. So this is with RIS off and receiver position at 6 meter distance. We see the PDP on the screen. Okay, and then we're going to configure RIS to reflect the signal at 55 degrees. But we're not going to do it now. I'm just going to show you also the transmitter. Transmitter is here. So we have this blind spot where we don't have a line of sight between transmitter and receiver. And now we're going to configure RIS to on. So let me stand here. Yeah. So you see, and it's still jumped and it's still increasing on average to minus 26. So this gives us about 15 dB beam steering gain or re-radiation power improvement from the RIS at this angle. Now we've changed the operational mode from PDP to constellation diagram measurement, and we're currently measuring QPSK or FOC1. It looks like this. So the RIS is working, and transmitter is still there, hidden behind the corner. So we've got about 15 meters distance with the RIS. So now we're gonna switch it off. And now it's off. You can see I've completely lost the pattern. So we've got this gigantic arm that holds the receive antenna that moves like this, while the transmitter is mounted at the top in the middle of the RIS. It has to be very high because it's in the middle of a sphere.
First align it. Once you say it's aligned, now we can do
it's aligned. I mean, okay. We didn't use the laser, just eye. Should be okay.
That's fine, yeah?
We are froze now. I think it will be okay. We're measuring from 3.4 to 3.6.
Oh,
It's a sweep.
A sweep, yeah.
So what time Kiran came yesterday?
Late.
5:15.
I think I left at 4:45.
5:35.